In this video, I will show you how to create a Google account. To create a Google account, all you have to do now, go to your Gmail app. After you open your Gmail app, all you have to do now, tap on your profile at the top right side. After you tap on your profile, all you have to do now, tap on this section, scroll to down, and tap on this add another account. Under this add another account, as you can see now select Google. So after you select this Google, now it will ask you now to press in. Now allow it now to finish loading. So in this section, all you have to do now, tap on this create account. So tap on this for myself. So after you tap on this for my personal use, tap in your first name and last name for your email address. So I'll just go and type in my Guru. So after you type in your name, tap on this next button. The last name is optional. So now it will ask you to type in your just date of birth for your Facebook. So I'll just go and just choose random date of birth. So now choose your gender, as you can see in this option. So you can choose female or male, so you can choose or rather not to say. I'll just go rather not to say, or I'll just go with less male. So tap on this next button. So now it will give you a suggestion of your Gmail address. So as you can see now, it just give me suggestion of Gmail address. So if you don't want all this one, you can just tap on this section to create your own desire. So if you want, you can just go ahead and choose one of these. So tap on this and tap on this next button. So now it will ask you to create a password. So make sure your password should be strong, means your password must has capital letters, small letters, and special characters. So I'll just go ahead and type in my password. After you finish typing your password, all you have to do now, tap on this next button. So as you can see now, here is now my Facebook, my Gmail account that I created. So tap on this next button. So scroll to down and tap on this agree. I agree button. This one I agree. So as you can see now, tap on your profile at the top right side now. Here is the list of my Gmail account. So as you can see now, here is now the Gmail account that I just created. So that's it guys on how to create Gmail account on your phone. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.